We're going to continue our fact-based reporting on the situation at the restaurant called CASA in downtown Tempe, where dine-in services were allowed to begin yesterday by following CDC guidelines. But social distancing wasn't exactly happening. Team 12's Josh Sanders spoke with both Tempe officials and one health official who calls what happened there last night a recipe for disaster.
This view from Sky 12 capturing what healthcare officials say is a worst-case scenario.
If this is the kind of thing that we're going to see from now on all over the place, then we're all in big trouble. And all of our sacrifices have been probably for naught.
On Monday, CASA Bar on Mill Avenue was bustling with business. The rooftop packed. On the ground, a line out the door. Patrons sitting at tables that appear to be less than 6 feet apart. Little to no social distancing and no one wearing masks seen on video.
What we witnessed was really irresponsible behavior on the part of the business owner and a part of the patrons as well. But ultimately, this comes down to the governor. The rules are murky. We are opening too soon.
City of Tempe Vice Mayor Lauren Kuby says Governor Ducey's guidance for reopening doesn't cut it. To merely recommend masks and social distancing without enforcement further exposes the public to the virus.
But you can have groups of 10 arrive, and as long as you're 6 feet apart, somehow that is, illegal according to the governor's prescription. But then you saw the massive number of people in line, and there was no social distancing being observed.
In a statement to 12 News, Tempe police say CASA was working within the parameters outlined by the governor's executive order for patrons inside the business, identifying a couple of tables needing additional distance, and asked the manager to comply, which they say he did. But video shows something different. Later in the night, patrons seen shoulder to shoulder. We asked the manager of CASA if Monday night was a wake-up call for his staff.
At this time, other than working with the city of Tempe to ensure those dine-in guidelines, I have no further comment.
And as the state faces reopening, both healthcare officials and local officials say we have to do it responsibly. We're in Tempe. Josh Sanders, 12 News.